Hey guys, it's me Adit Kundra from Adit's Ukulele Lessons. आज हम song सीखने वाले हैं. It's a new song and इसका नाम है Blue and it's by Kai. Right? And ये वाला song जो है इसमें हम अपना capo अपने 4th fret पे रखेंगे and this will actually make all the chords very easy for you guys. So it's going to be a really nice beginner lesson. Right? So इस lesson में हम सारे chords सीखेंगे and I'll be telling you the strumming as well. तो capo with the 4th fret हमारे जो इसमें कॉर्ड्स हम यूज करने वाले हैं वो हैं F मेजर, G मेजर, C मेजर, A minor 7th and finally E7. That's it, just 5 chords. Okay, so यहाँ पे I would like to take a quick break and tell you कि अगर आप मुझसे यूकेलेले सीखना चाहते हैं in a very step by step manner, then definitely check out मेरी academy जिसका नाम है Music Academy. मेरा यूकेलेले कोर्स है Learn Ukulele in 30 Days Stage 1, which is an absolutely structured 30-day plan. And इसको अगर आप follow करेंगे तो I can assure you कि आप ना सिर्फ एक अच्छे यूकेलेले प्लेयर बनेंगे, but also a fantastic musician. Right? So Music Academy का link is in the description box. Definitely check it out. And जो strumming यूज कर रहे हैं, it's a very simple strumming pattern. So down, 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 down. I told you it's a beginner lesson, right? So down, 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 down. Right, so बाद में जाके आप देखेंगे मैं दो डाउन स्ट्रम से थोड़े ज़्यादा कर रहा हूँ. Right, so वो आपकी मर्जी है, आप चाहे तो इंक्रीज कर सकते हैं या you can do just down, down, down as well, right? So that's pretty much the lesson, quick lesson, right? I hope you enjoyed the lesson. अगर अच्छा लगे तो please give it a like and share it with your friends. This is Adit Kundra signing off. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.